Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase mining speed in Crypto tab browser. In my previous video, I explained you how to mine Bitcoin in Crypto tab browser, account setup and withdraw proof. If you did not watch that video, I recommend you to watch that video first to understand this one. I given link in the description and also in the I button. Tip number 1. Multiple device mining. Yes, you can mine by multiple device like phone and laptop. They allow you to install by multiple device, install app or software on your device, sign in with different account. I am saying different accounts. Why I am telling you to use different accounts on multiple devices? I researched and seen many YouTube videos in that they tell you to use multiple devices with same account to get more hash rate. I tried but it does not work for me, so I recommend you to use multiple devices with different accounts. That most effective method I got. You can also easily withdraw in the same wallet. I will show you how I mine with different devices with different accounts. You can see this is my mining setup. Here I am using 4 devices, in that one laptop and 3 phones. In one phone I am shooting video so you can't see. In laptop I am using one account. In 3 phones I am using 6 accounts. How? I have 2 Redmi phones and one Oppo phone. So in Redmi phone I have a feature called dual app. So I clone the Crypto tab browser into 2. So I'm using 2 accounts in one phone. If you don't have that feature in your phone, you can download the app called Parallel Space. It easily available in Play Store. Simply download and install. It creates dual app, so you can use 2 accounts in single phone. I'm planning to increase my devices so I can earn more. This is how I am mining and increasing my mining speed. Tip number 2. Affiliate program. The another most effective method is affiliate program. Scroll down. You will find promo links. Copy it, share it with your friends and family. You can see my referral. I have 5 members. On that, 2 members are actively mining. How much you can earn from affiliate program? For that, go to the affiliate dashboard. Click on the affiliate dashboard. I am putting this on desktop mode so that you can see everything easily. This is my mining. This is my mining network. My referral link opened by 28 members, downloaded by 3, installed by 4, actively mining 3. I am in level first. I will explain you later what are these levels. Also, you can analyze by simple graphs. Then go to the about section. Here you can see the develop your own mining network. Mining network includes up to 10 level given from 1 to 10. In each level they give you some percentage on your friends mining. If you invite 5 friends, you will reach first level. In that they will give you 15%. In second level, if you invite 25 people, they give you 10%, like that. In third level, fourth level, fifth level, in each level they will give you some percentage of your friends mining. Increase your mining network so that in every level you get some percentage of reward by every single friend you refer, which means you will get income from your friends mining and their friends mining also. I will show you the proof that one of the YouTuber called GNF Learning is earning only by referring people. Here you can see he have 3231 referrals. In that he mined only 65 satoshis By referral, he mined 89,962 Satoshi. You see how much he is earning only by referring people. That's why I'm telling you, share your link as much as you can. Here they give a calculator for calculating how much you can earn from referral. I will show you how it works. They put 5 as a default. First one, number of new user invited by you. Second one, how much friends they lead, which means click on the calculate my income. You will see the board here. If you invite 5 people, you will get $3. That 5 people invite 5 people, you will get $10. That 25 people invite 5 people, you will get $25, so on. If you reach that 10th level, you will get $40,636 per month, which means you will get 3 lakh per month, which equal to 1.13 BTC at current Bitcoin price. If you have a big friend circle, you will reach this level easily. Tip number 3, cloud mining. You already know about cloud mining, but if not, here they mentioned increase your mining speed many times. Click on this icon, add cloud boost, choose your plan according to your budget. For 2x boost, you should pay 420 rupees per month. For 15x boost, you should pay 6,100 rupees per month. It was too expensive. In my previous video, I tell you that I don't recommend these plans initially. Mine for a month or 2 months. If you get advantage, then go for any other of these plans. If you really serious on this, if you still want to buy this plan, I recommend you to go for 12 months plan. In that you will get 50% more huge discount on every plans. Initially, if you want to buy, go for 2x boost for 200 per month. That's it. If you want to increase your mining by doing nothing, you should pay for it. If you really get benefit, please do like, subscribe. Thank you.